Known for its vibrant color and medicinal properties, turmeric can be dangerous if not consumed correctly. Although this spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and many other benefits, combining it with certain medications and foods can lead to serious consequences. Anna, who suffered from seasonal allergies, regularly took antihistamines. She started taking turmeric, hoping it would help relieve her allergy symptoms. However, research has shown that turmeric may enhance the effects of antihistamines, which can lead to unwanted side effects. It is important to understand that turmeric can interact with various medications, so consulting with your doctor before adding it to your diet is a necessary step. Another example is John, a diabetic patient who was looking for natural ways to control his blood sugar. He came across articles praising turmeric's ability to lower blood sugar and decided to add it to his daily diet, along with his prescribed diabetes medications. However, a study published in the International Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that turmeric, despite its ability to lower blood sugar, may enhance the effects of diabetes medications such as metformin. This dual action can lead to hypoglycemia, a condition in which blood sugar levels drop too low, causing dizziness, confusion, and even loss of consciousness. John experienced several episodes of hypoglycemia, which landed him in the emergency room. To avoid such dangerous interactions, it is imperative to consult a doctor before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you are taking diabetes medications or blood thinners. Despite its many beneficial properties, turmeric can become dangerous if consumed incorrectly. Turmeric is a popular spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. However, despite its benefits, it is important to understand that turmeric can interact with some medications, potentially affecting their effectiveness or causing side effects. For example, Lisa, who suffers from acid reflux, decided to try turmeric, believing that its anti-inflammatory properties would help calm her digestive system. However, research has shown that turmeric may increase stomach acid production, especially when taken with antacids. This may make acid reflux symptoms worse instead of improving them. Lisa experienced more frequent and severe heartburn attacks, highlighting the importance of consulting with a doctor before combining turmeric with antacids. Tom, who was taking medication for high blood pressure, also decided to supplement his treatment with turmeric, believing it would have a positive effect on his cardiovascular system. Research has shown that turmeric may lower blood pressure, which when combined with hypertension medications, can lead to abnormally low blood pressure. Tom felt weak and dizzy as his blood pressure dropped too low. This further highlights the need to consult a doctor before combining turmeric with blood pressure medications. Alan, who was diagnosed with iron deficiency anemia, took iron supplements. He decided to add turmeric to his diet, impressed by its overall health benefits. However, research has shown that turmeric may interfere with the body's absorption of iron. This means that taking turmeric along with iron supplements may reduce the effectiveness of the treatment. Alan experienced persistent symptoms of anemia despite taking supplements. To ensure optimal iron absorption, you should avoid taking turmeric at the same time as iron supplements. For example, Charlotte, a 67-year-old woman taking blood thinner medication for heart problems, decided to add turmeric to her diet, hoping for its natural anti-inflammatory properties. However, Charlotte did not know that turmeric itself has blood-thinning properties. According to research published in the journal, an active compound in turmeric may enhance the effects of blood thinners such as warfarin and aspirin. This may increase the risk of bleeding, which can be quite serious. In Sarah's case, the combination could lead to dangerous levels of blood thinning, increasing the risk of internal bleeding. In conclusion, turmeric has many beneficial properties, but its interactions with various medications can lead to unexpected effects. Before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you are taking medications, you should consult your doctor to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the treatment. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for the immune system, can interact with some drugs, which requires caution when using it. Studies show that turmeric can increase the level of some antihistamines in the blood, which can lead to increased side effects, such as drowsiness and dizziness. For example, Anna found that she was experiencing excessive drowsiness and cannot perform everyday tasks after she began to take turmeric in combination with antihistamines. Therefore, it is important to consult a doctor before combining turmeric with antihistamine drugs. Another study showed that turmeric can interact with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, which are often prescribed for chronic arthritis. Jessica, who suffered from chronic arthritis and took an SAID, decided to use turmeric to naturally relieve pain. However, shortly after, she began to experience severe abdominal pain, which forced her to stop taking turmeric. Studies confirm that such interaction is possible and can increase the risk of gastrointestinal effects, such as ulcers and bleeding. It is important to remember that, despite the numerous potential advantages of turmeric, its use requires caution to avoid negative interactions and side effects. To minimize risks, it is recommended: start with small doses. This will assess the body's reaction to turmeric and avoid potential side effects. Use the fresh root of turmeric. The fresh root of the turmeric often contains a high level of useful compounds and less additives or pollution compared to powder. Combine turmeric with black pepper. Piperin, a compound contained in black pepper, increases the bioavailability of turmeric, making it more effective. Try golden milk. This is a popular drink, which is a mixture of milk or non-dummy alternative with turmeric and spices. Fats contained in milk contribute to the absorption of turmeric. Keep abreast of allergies. At the first addition of turmeric to the diet, it is important to monitor possible allergic reactions such as rash, stomach disorder, etc. It is important to remember that this video is not a motivation for action. Turmeric is a powerful spice with numerous health benefits, but, like any other substance, it can be dangerous under certain conditions. In order to get the maximum benefit from turmeric and minimize risks, it is important to know some nuances of its use. First of all, you need to understand that turmeric is a fat-soluble spice, which means that it is better absorbed by the body when consuming with fats. Therefore, it is recommended to cook turmeric with healthy fats, such as olive oil, coconut oil or avocado oil, to improve its absorption. You should also remember the possible interactions of turmeric with other drugs and additives. If you take any medications or additives, be sure to consult a doctor to make sure that there are no side effects from the use of turmeric. It is also important to avoid dehydration, as this can help to remove an excess of curcumin from the body and reduce the risk of kidney stones that can develop in some people when taking high doses of turmeric. Keep turmeric in a cool, dark place to maintain its effectiveness. If you use a fresh turmeric root, store it in the refrigerator to prevent damage. If you regularly use turmeric, especially if you have diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure or circulatory disorders, it is necessary to regularly take blood tests under the supervision of a doctor. It is also important to know that although with short-term use of high doses of turmeric additives can be recommended for certain conditions, the long-term use of high doses can lead to side effects. Therefore, always follow the recommendations given by your doctor. Remember that the body of each person reacts differently to substances. Pay attention to how your body reacts to turmeric and correct your consumption in accordance with this. Do not forget that the scientific understanding of the properties and risks of turmeric is constantly developing. Follow the latest research to keep abreast of new data and make reasonable decisions regarding the use of this spice. In general, turmeric is a valuable product that can bring health benefits, but when using it you need to be careful. In the case of any doubt or questions, always consult a doctor.